So hey guys, I am still writing. I'm still writing. So after NaNoWriMo, I thought, I would be completely done like the next day, but no. I am struggling with the ending of this one. The thing is, when I was doing NaNoWriMo, it's like I had that pressure of trying to get that word count, so I was pushing myself harder. Now that I don't have that pressure, it's like I can't get it out. Like, I know what I want to write, I know what I want to, how I want the characters to kind of play out, but it's like I want this ending and I can't, this kind of really good ending, and it's like I can't think of it right now. I'm just struggling with these characters. I feel like once I finish this draft, I might have to, when I take a long break, because I'm gonna take a break after, a really good break, I might revise that ending. If I can't think of a good thing now, I might completely change the ending. If I don't know guys. No, it's a struggle. So I'm gonna keep writing and push through, and I'm almost done. I feel like I have just literally probably like 2,000 words to go, and then step away from the story and take a good break. I'm probably gonna do like a three weeks, maybe a month break before I get back into it. I'm just so like, some of the stories, it was like I got to the end and I was like yes, and then this one is like I don't know, maybe because I love this character and the struggle that brought these characters together. It's like I want that ending that is gonna be just so good, so good. Anyway, so I'm going to continue writing, and then I have to hit the stores because I need to do a little bit of Christmas shopping for some of my babies. Yes, I don't have kids, guys, but I call these people kids, my babies. That's my god kids and my niece and nephew. So, but I'm going to get some stuff for the babies. They're like babies. They're 3 months and one is 2 months. So I'm gonna get stuff that's a little older, because I want to get them things that they're gonna need when they're a little bit, like maybe 6 to a year, not a year, but 6 months. Nothing that they're gonna use now, because I have a feeling they're gonna be big babies. Like they're gonna be a little bigger when they start growing. So I don't want to get them anything like clothes or anything like that. That's not gonna last a while. It's more like toys and maybe walkers, something like that, what I know they're gonna be able to use. So yeah, that is it for my morning so far. And yeah, so yeah. So guys, I'm in the Lego section, and these things are expensive, but they're so cool. And it's for a 7-year-old girl, so I found some cute girly ones that I think she might like, but I kind of want to get her some other stuff that's not girly. So we'll see. But yeah. Maybe some word ones. I think I like this one. But then this one's kind of cute too. know what I want to get. Like a Christmas book, something cute they can read to the baby. I don't know.